Hey guys, so today I am going to be talking about LENSMART. They let me pick out a few items, so thank you LENSMART. And today I'm just going to be doing a try-on haul slash unboxing. So LENSMART is an online glasses shop. So they just have a lot of really cute glasses. This is the first pair that I'm showing you. These are really affordable as well, but yeah, these ones are just a clear one with like a pinkish brown like tortoise shell vibe, and that's what the sides look like. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute if you want to just like have fun and take pictures, or just like, I don't know, have a different vibe to your look. These are really fun to play with. Okay, and this is the next pair. These are sunglasses. I've been needing some new sunglasses, so I ordered some sunglasses. I don't know why, but these ones were just calling to me. I feel like these remind me of like the early 2000s Y2K vibe. That's what the sides look like. Really cute. Yeah, these are super duper cute. What do you guys think? So this is the next pair. These are so cute. It's giving like 50s sock hop vibe. These would be cute for like Halloween, honestly. But these are so cute. I want to like pair these with a red lip, you know? Just go all out, like everything red. Red hat, red glasses, red lip. These ones feel really high quality as well, but I love the shape. Like, that is so pretty. Okay, so next are another pair of sunglasses. This one is so cute. I had to get these. I wasn't sure if I should just like get black so I can have like a basic black pair of sunglasses, but I don't know, you guys. This green was just like giving, it was giving wicked. It was just so beautiful. I just love a pop of color, you know? And then here are what the sides look like. Again, it's just, it looks very like Y2K vibes. If you know, you know. I'm a 90s baby, so yes. But I thought these were so chic. Like, how cute. Oh my gosh. Like, yeah, who is she? You know? You know, it's just fun. It's like just going to the gym. You can even wear it like if you want to be extra glam, or you can just wear it for those like photo moments. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these are so chic. I feel like I'm gonna go on a long romantic drive by the beach, you know? These are really comfortable as well. I feel like they sit perfectly on my face. So yeah, sometimes I have struggles because I feel like the glasses will just fall down, or it won't be the right size on my ears, or like hugging my head, you know? And then last but not least, I have another clear pair of glasses. So the dark sunglasses that I showed you guys, those are items that I picked for myself, and then LENSMART sent me 3 of their picks. So yeah, so I'm lucky enough to try it on for you. So this is what they look like. These are giving like fairy godmother. They're just so cute. I feel like it matches like the girly aesthetic today. These are so cute. These are just fun to like play dress up, you know? Like if I needed a that moment, like another that moment, I would wear this. This would look so cute with like a veil. I don't know, I'm feeling it. This is giving like Lady Gaga slash fairy godmother. So if you need to let people know who she is for a little moment, you can let them know like this. Yeah, these are so cute. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried LENSMART before. If I have a coupon code and a link, I will have it in my description box as well. But yeah, comment down below and let me know which item was your favorite. I definitely love both of the dark sunglasses, and honestly the other pairs are really cute as well. Again, I was not expecting myself to like this last pair as much as I did. It just like, I don't know, it gives my inner girly like joy and life. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!